In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a morph transition in Google Slides for 2025. If you've ever wanted to create smooth, visually appealing transitions between your slides, then you're in the right place. This step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to achieve that seamless effect. First, let's begin by heading over to Google Slides. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Google Slides homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your Google account. Don't worry if you're not signed in yet, just enter your email and password to access your presentations. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one to proceed with these instructions. Now that you're on the Google Slides homepage, let's start a new presentation. Look for the option to create a blank presentation and click on it. You'll immediately be taken to a fresh slide deck where we can begin our work. Starting from scratch allows us to fully control the design and transitions we want to use. With your blank presentation ready, direct your attention to the top menu and click on View. This is the first step towards turning your slides into a magnificent slideshow. Once you've clicked on View, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose Slideshow. This mode allows us to see how our transitions will look when animated. Now in slideshow mode, shift your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. Here you'll find a navigation menu. Using your cursor, move down until you see a set of 3 dots. Clicking on these dots will open up additional options. One of the most important options you'll need is autoplay. Click on autoplay, which will present a series of playback options for your slideshow. Although our focus here is on morph transitions, these playback settings can help customize how your presentation runs overall. This sequence of actions sets up your Google Slides workspace for experimenting with transitions like morph. Unfortunately, Google Slides doesn't currently have a built-in morph transition like some other presentation tools. However, using these steps, you can start playing with different animations or time delays to create a similar effect. While this tutorial serves as a foundation, don't be afraid to explore and get creative. Tinkering with slide elements and experimenting with transitions can lead to truly unique and professional-looking presentations. That's all you need to get started with adding impressive transitions to your Google Slides presentations. Thank you for watching, and happy creating.